am here. This video is prepared and done by Prerna Goslia, Shaba Sayyed, that is me, and Janvi Khede. On the above video, Prerna and Janvi will join us later. So today's video is about Government Polytechnic Institute, which is a diploma college. Let's start the video, guys. So Government Polytechnic Mumbai is in Bandra East, Kherwadi, with pin code 400051. So this is our institute, Government Polytechnic Mumbai, which is in Bandra, and the logo of the Government Polytechnic Mumbai established in 1960. Government Polytechnic Mumbai GPM is a diploma engineering college located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and one of the oldest diploma engineering college in Maharashtra. Government Polytechnic Mumbai is an academically and administratively autonomous institute. However, it is affiliated to the Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education, offering various diploma and post-diploma programs in engineering and technology. The institute is financially supported by the government of Maharashtra. This institute was awarded autonomy in year 1990 and it was established in the year 1960. Institute mission: we are committed for quality education for lifelong learning, need-based educational programs through different modes, outcome-based curriculum implementation, development and upgradation of standard laboratory practices, promoting entrepreneurial programs. We believe in equality, safety, environment-friendly practices, and teaching learning innovations. Institute vision: transform knowledge into work. So it's you, how you use your knowledge into work and you get successful. Now my friend Prerna will take over the above conversation. So start, Prerna.
Thank you, Shaba. Hey guys, this is me, Prerna Gosalia, and I am here to give you some more information about our institute. So, the Government Polytechnic Institute was founded in the year 1960 at Elphinstone Technical School, Mumbai, with Civil Engineering Department. In the year 1985, the institute acquired the existing campus at Bandra, Mumbai. After acquiring new campus, new programs were introduced. Programs like Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering were added in the year 1988, and immediately next year Mechanical Engineering program was instituted and many other programs were added in the coming years. The institute implemented World Bank assisted projects in 1990-1998. The main motive behind this project was the capacity expansion, quality and efficiency improvement. The institute was awarded autonomy in the year 1990, thus allowing the institute to design, develop and implement own curriculum and issue own diploma. The college got Narsi Monji Award for the best performance in the year 1999 by ISTE. The college also got accredited by National Board of Accreditation (NBA) for 5 diploma courses in 2003. The college also introduced Canada-India Industry Polytechnic Linkage project in the year 2002 for the training and facility of the staff. The departments in a polytechnic are like civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, information technology, instrumental engineering, mechanical engineering, rubber technology, and leather technology. Our institute also gives hostel facility according to merit. Hostel facility for boys in the campus and hostel facility for boys and girls provided by government in Mumbai. Now, I would like to call my friend Janvi to give us the further information about our institute. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Janvi Khade and I will tell you the career option after diploma in government sectors. Given picture, we are able to see there are so many career options are there, which are divided into 3 sectors such as government sector, public sector and private sector. Let us see in the government sector. We can able to see there are railways, PWDs, irrigation, transport, MSEB, telecom, etc. Let us see in the public sector undertaking PSU, ONGC, BPCL, IOCL, HPCL, BHEL, BEL, ISRO, HAL, BSNL, NTPC, SAIL, SEED, GAIL, Power Grid, RCF, HCL, SCI, NALGO, etc. Let us see in the private sector. Cement industries, steel industries, energy sectors, medical sectors, agriculture industries, pharmaceutical industries, aeronautical industries, shipping industries, etc. Higher education B. Entrepreneurship. Now we will see scholarship provided. Dr. Pajabrao Vastigrah, Nirvan Bhata, Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, Dikshan Shukla Scholarship, Minority Scholarship for pursuing higher and professional courses, post-matric scholarship for SPC student, government scholarship for reserve category students, MSBT scholarship, etc. We will see the admission process for diploma. Students have to register online on following website: www.dtemaharashtra.gov.in. Now we will see document required for admission process. In the given table, we see we need 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, school leaving certificate, Aadhaar card, caste certificate, non-criminal layer certificate, EWS certificate, domicile certificate, income certificate, 3 photos, blank passbook, gap certificate. That's it. Now we will see diploma courses which are available in our institution, such as civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, electronical engineering, information technology, instrumentation engineering, leather goods and footwear tech, leather technology, mechanical engineering, rubber technology. That's it. In the shown in the table, we can see the seats are divided into first shift, second shift, PWD, EWS. Now we will see the fee structure of our college. As we see in a given table, there are types of fees for open categories: family income up to 8 lakhs, SC, ST, NT, VJNT categories. As we see for open categories, tuition fees are 6,000, development fees 1,000, library fee 100, internet fee 150, gymkhana fee 200, gathering fee 100, exam fee for first sem and second sem 960, enrollment fee 100, caution money deposit 200, Amartya insurance policy 454, ISTE and IEI membership fee is 772. The total amount will be 10,036. Now we will see fees for family income up to 8 lakhs. Tuition fees are 3,000, development fees 1,000, library fees 100, internet fees 150, gymkhana fee 200, gathering fee 100, exam fee for first sem and second sem is 960, enrollment fee 100, caution money deposit 200, Amritya insurance policy 454, STE and IEI membership fee is 772. The total fees are 7,036. Now we will see fees for SC, ST, NT, VJ and T category. There is no tuition fees for ST, SC, NT, VJ and T category. Development fee 1,000, library fee 100, internet fee 150, gymkhana fee 200, gathering fee 100, exam fee for first sem and second sem 960, enrollment fees 100, caution money deposit 200, Amrita insurance policy is 454, ISTE and IES membership fee 772. The total fees are 4,036.
So here Prerna and Janvi has given us lots of important and useful information about Government Polytechnic Mumbai. Thank you Prerna and thank you Janvi for giving us more details about GPM. Here I am presenting some of the photos of Government Polytechnic Mumbai. So let's see. guys for watching our video.